Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to repair error Microsoft Store the server stumbled 0x80131500. Chapter 1. How to fix error Microsoft Store. The server stumbled 0x80131500, resetting the store. To start, enter Store in the search box. Click on App Settings. After that, click on Terminate. After this, click Reset and confirm the operation. He hopes the store will be restored. Now you can access the store without errors. Chapter 2. How to fix error Microsoft Store. The server stumbled 0x80131500 from Registry Editor. To start, enter Regedit in the search box. Click on Registry Editor and click Yes to access. When you access it, you will go to the path that you see on the screen. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic Channel. Here, double-click on the nation value, then enter the code of the desired country. You can find this in the link you see in the description of this video. Click on OK. You can see that the store opens without problems. Chapter 3. How to fix error Microsoft Store. The server stumbled 0x80131500, changing region. To start, enter region in the search box. Click Change your country or region. After this, under Country or Region, you can select the desired country. Open the Windows Store. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.